Hello guys, welcome to the new DirtBike Lunatic video. Today we got this package from a company called Enduro R. They just sent us this helmet to review it and give honest opinion about it. So if you don't want to watch this review, you can skip to this minute and continue with compilation. So let's start with unboxing. We don't need that anymore. First thing that I'm noticing about this helmet, it is super light. It's made of carbon, so it's light and super strong. Also, it is DOT and ECU approved. I love this design. When they sent me a list to pick what design I want, I immediately picked this one because it reminds me of my channel logo. Also, it comes with these emergency straps, so if you are in an accident, you need to just pull these on and it will release. In this box we got another visor, which is for night use. It is scratch resistant and anti-fog. I really do like this helmet because it is super light, and also it comes with these crazy designs which you know I like. What I forgot to mention is it comes with this locking pin, so your visor won't lift at the high speeds. For more features about Atlas 2.0, check out Ruroc website and you will find all of them. Atlas 2.0 will be available to purchase on 27 February. So if you want design like this one, be fast because this is limited edition. If not, there will be 50 new colorways, so pick one that you love the most. I'm waiting for them to send me one that I'm most excited about, the raw carbon helmet. I love that design. Make sure to follow my Instagram page because they will be giving one helmet for my fans. Also comment down below, did you like this review, because maybe we'll do more of them in the future. Now let's get back to the compilation. Guy in G-Wagon got mad because this biker did a wheelie. Let's see what he has to say.
You need to chill the out.
Well, I don't know why you're racing at me, bro.
I'm racing at you. I'm trying to catch you to tell you to chill the out.
Bro, I'm doing my own thing.
Number, and I'm calling a buddy of mine that's a sheriff.
Go ahead. I talk to that guy up there all the time.
Yeah, you think?
Yeah, go ahead. Have a good one, bud.
And we say bye-bye.
Have a good one.
Stupid mother. Hey man, you almost took me out, man. You better pay attention.
Driver behind was following too close. Biker had it enough and decided to stop and confront the driver.
You see too, aren't you, though?
Might have to go somewhere else after this. That was cool. How did I get off that one?
Well, at least we got as much time as we got. What the f are you thinking about? This is not a goddamn motocross park. Take your bike and get the f home.
Okay.
Next time I'm calling cops.
Okay.
I mean, you see what you're doing? Tearing up the grass? Get your bike and get the f home. I promise you I'll call the cops next time. If they don't come out, I'll figure out where you live and I'll go talk to your parents.
Okay.
Okay, everybody makes mistakes, but to endanger somebody 2 times, I don't know about that. So, comment down below, what do you think? Was this intentional or not? What a fool. You're recorded, idiot. This driver almost took down Biker. He even clipped him with his mirror. Now take a look what will happen next.
¿No estás viendo, weón? Pero me pasaste, pues, guacho, concha tu madre. Te tengo la gama, pajaron, concha tu madre, te vas a hacer weón.
Enemy spotted. Mission accomplished. Good work.
This biker gave us some context for this clip. Previous to turning GoPro, this car driver was taking a left while on his phone and not using indicators. When biker pointed to the driver that he should use his indicators, he started to stick his tongue out and laugh, and then started swerving at the biker.
Are you stupid? Put your window down. Come on. Put your window down. Come on. You hear that? Huh? Mikey, you wanna God damn it. I love the face he makes. He's so offended. Oh.
Oh no! Did you hit him?
Yeah, I did.
I included this clip just to show you why you need to be aware of your surroundings. Unfortunately for this biker, he didn't notice that the light was switching to red. But when he did notice that, it was too late.
My foot's stuck. My foot's stuck. No, my foot's stuck, dude. My foot is stuck. Can you pull forward? I'm so sorry. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
Do I need to call insurance or anything?
I mean, I've got my insurance.
Luckily, he didn't get injured, but his bike got messed up really bad.
What the hell, bro?
This truck driver went straight to the red light. He didn't even look for oncoming traffic.
He is texting on his phone instead of paying attention. All right, we're going. What the is wrong with him?
Pull off the road.
And that's it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want more videos like this, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out DirtBike Lunatic store and get yourself some DBL merch. Until the next episode guys, ride safe.